1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, Bojangles. Bars. What's up? So like, y'all got like any regular chicken sandwiches? Fried? This right here is a chicken sandwich from Bojangles. This seems to be the main target of our minority. That seems to be with the humble nose about. Seems pretty tiny. Flat, very unappealing patty. But we'll give it a test. Now, given that I'm ghetto as fuck and I can eat just about anything, this is absolutely terrible. It's the worst godforsaken sandwich I've ever... Hold on, I'm gonna finish my sentence in a second. It's cooked to perfection. I'll give it that. It's just not, it's just not crispy enough, that's all. If I had to give it, like, I don't know, let's say, like, 3 wet vaginas out of 5. Yeah. Yeah. 3 wet pussies out of 5. Pussies. It's a big ass titty. God damn.
It is. That J fat.
It's a fat ass titty. Got pickle. Is that mayonnaise? Alright. Yeah. It just tastes like Popeyes with bread.
Like somebody just took a chicken breast and took the bone out.
Yeah. Same shit I used to do as a kid. But it's not bad. Whether or not it's better than Chick-fil-A, I think they're on par. I think they're on par with each other. I mean, I don't like see the big deal about the Chick-fil-A sandwich. It's the same shit.
Tastes way better.
I don't know. It's the same thing to me. Maybe the bread is better at Chick-fil-A. Yeah, they don't drop brackets, son. What the fuck is this? And then what if I just throw up and just spew out all my guts as I'm enjoying the fucking sandwich? It's a lot of meat. You know what they need to do? Serve this with like a fork and knife. Like mandatory.
Here's a big ass piece of chicken.
This is big ass titty meat, bro. Last 2 bites. Goddamn. And I'm exhausted. I just want to thank YouTube. OnlyFans. And comments. Like, lip balm.